Hello, I am the hello. I am the hello. Welcome to my review of the Power Rangers Lightning Collection, Blue Lost Galaxy Power Ranger. In Japan, it will be called Ginga Blue in Japan. Anyway, so this set includes quite a few things: figure itself, two additional hands, a little energy thing, was included with these Lightning Collection figures, as well as three accessories: a Cosmo Claw, and two Quasar Sabers, one for the holster and one for his hand. So let's begin. So first off, let's take a look at the Lightning Collection of this figure. You've already seen my reviews of Lord Dracon and the Shadow Ranger, but this has is actually a little bit better up here because it doesn't have any armor or like a vest on it. So it can do things like this, which is really good, especially if you want to make a gesture like he's pulling out the Quasar Saber, which fits very nicely into his holster. Because of the articulation of the Lightning Collection, you can actually make it seem like he's actually pulling out his weapon. Watch. I've actually done this before, so it actually does work. And boom! He is now holding the Quasar Saber. The Quasar Sabers are very well designed. As you can see, it has this gorilla symbol and bezel drawn on here, as well as on the other side. Whereas with this, you have the V on one side and the gorilla symbol on the other. They also have the jagged design that's also shown. That's also on their gloves, chest, and boots. It's very well crafted. I'm not sure what you can see it, but they even engraved along the hilt and the blade itself. Can you? I'm not sure how well you can see. You can actually kind of feel it a little bit. And of course, because of the lightning, because of this thing, you can even have it look like it's swirling energy. Because of this, which looks really awesome. I do wish it was blue though, and looked more fluid. Because this looks more like something from Maya, because of the yellow and the lightning. And of course, there's the Cosmo Claw. This is one of 5 modes that the Galaxy Rangers Trans Daggers can take on. The Blue Ranger's mode of choice, the Cosmo Claw. You can see the blue lightning on the inside, and the background noise. That's our neighbor helping mow our lawn due to the passing of my grandfather. And it's even got like pistols for like the crossbow and bow for the beta bow and the um, trans blaster modes. Sorry, I had to think for a minute. Even those little yellow tips here. I do wish they had figures had like a trans dagger Both. Such is love. So, and you can dual wield these two. And you can get them into a variety of poses. Like this. You can even have them in this pose. It does also look awesome. And of course, what lightning figure for a Power Ranger would be complete without the extra head, the human head. Now, to swap it out, you just pop off the Ranger head and put the human head on. Just there. Just like that. And now I'm just going to replace this hand here with this hand right here. Because I found it helps better, it works better for holding the helmets. So you can get that classic helmet holding pose. You also have to, and you should also rotate the arm like here and that, and it at both notches here. Then you just place the helmet in, make sure it pulls up nicely, and voila! Now you have Kai holding his helmet. Kai Chen holding the Blue Ranger. Awesome, right? Ain't it, Pokey Walker?
Yes.
He forgot his mask. He doesn't have his mask or his hat, so that's why he will not be appearing on screen today.
But I'm still in the background.
Oh, that's right. He likes to, yeah. I have felt like he needs like something to help expand, so that when he doesn't have his mask and all that, he can still appear in videos. Because I feel like the Pokey Walkers just like limited him a little bit. So he doesn't necessarily have to have it to be in the videos. Because I know he wants to be in the videos, even if he has to be masked. And sorry for our dog howling. Our neighbor's help is outside is just like really antagonizing her. As you can see, the Kai helmet and the Kai head is very well done. They really did great on his eyes, and you can see how much they worked on the nose, get the nostrils and the lips, even got the inside of the ear. And the hair even, I mean, it's plastic, but it still feels like hair, but it still feels like they actually took time to mold it. Get like every bump and strand in here. I plan to do more Lightning Collection reviews in the future, hopefully. And I've actually been wondering what they're going to do about Corone or Kendricks. You know, the Pink Galaxy Ranger. I don't know if they're going to have the Corone head or the Kendricks head, or if they're going to have both. And the same with the Beast Morpher Silver Ranger. I don't know if they're going to have the robot head or the human head or both. I guess it's just something to look forward to. But until the next time, this has been the Hollow Hand with background voices by Pokey Walker. And to thee I say, Sayonara.